Come on. How about that? So corny.
It's your boy, Epic Jamaican, back at you with another video. And Kai Kai is here. Hello, Kai Kai. Keanu.
Hi.
We're gonna be reacting to How About That? How About That? Catch Me Outside.
How about that?
2017. Where
How
you
many
at?
places I have so far.
Without further ado, let's get to the video.
How about that?
How about that?
Are you saying that?
How about that?
That's not what it says.
It's how about that?
How about that?
How about
that?
that?
Yeah.
How about that?
How about that?
How about that? How about that? Do? Let's do.
Everything has to be Barbara Ann's way or no way. She'll go after me. God, bitch! Like if I tell her like hit me, she'll try to hit me and I gotta like dodge her. Cause if she hits me, I'm giving it to her.
She looks a lot older than
the
13.
She would get out my face. Either
Makeup
I'm
and
breaking
shit.
down her door or she's breaking down my door.
Her mom got
I
fat
don't
butt.
stop till I start seeing dents in the door. She's so over exaggerated. But she'll be like, oh, she threw boulders at my window. The pebble's like this little. She'll threaten me. If you don't do this or that, then I'm gonna call your PO.
You got one more time to hit me, Danielle. You got one more.
I ran out 4 times in one day. And the cops brought me back every time. She wants me to be sent away. You want me in just bad? Put me in jail.
She's smoking her cigarette.
Tell me what you think you're doing that contributes to this chaos and this problem.
How about that?
I don't behave disrespectful. I steal cars. I steal her credit card. I ain't gonna lie. There's no reason to lie. Everybody know already. Like,
F that shit, bro. I'm beating that ass.
Gives
She's a good whooping.
the right to take
Bruh.
somebody else's car.
I'm beating that ass, bro. Not like beat it, like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm taking the belt, like,
Now, I'm sorry, I didn't get
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Do you have an accent of some sort?
Tell them where it comes from. You know.
you know.
from the street.
So, tell me again, what is it you say to yourself that gives you the right to take somebody else's car?
I don't say anything to myself. I just say, all right, there's a car. There's some keys right in front of me. I know where the car at.
You know where the car at.
He's mocking each other. You know what a car is.
Did you go to the 5th grade?
Wow.
He's trying to show
Right.
Well, I stopped at 7th if you want to get technical.
You stopped at the 7th grade. So you did
What?
go to the 5th grade.
That's so much better, right? So much better.
Like,
Okay.
oh gosh.
So you just take it and you don't consider that it belongs to someone else.
No. Your keys in my room, you asking for it. You don't leave your keys in a
What?
someone's room when they've stolen cars before. Like, you asking for it.
Oh my gosh.
So
She has a point.
What do you think is going to happen?
That's a damn
if you
shame.
happen to steal
I mean, yeah,
somebody's
you don't put
car
drugs in the drug addict room, they gonna take that shit.
disagrees with that and decides that they're going to drop a hammer on you and prosecute you to the full extent of the
Then
law.
I do my time in jail. Jail ain't nothing. That's what I
Yo,
would do.
little
They
does
catch
she
me.
know.
Somebody gonna catch me.
Because
Oh
you're
my gosh.
too streetwise?
Yup. And all these hoes laughing like something funny.
He said how mom could just translate for her.
Did you
Like,
say
the hoes?
are laughing? So the audience are a bunch of hoes.
Yeah.
Okay, why are they clapping? That makes no
Okay.
sense.
Look at her face.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Oh my god. How about that?
How about that?
What I just said.
What I just said.
She'll go outside and do what she has to do.
Oh my, her per
That's what
mom.
she's talking about.
Oh, yeah.
This
yo,
is all.
yeah.
This is all. But don't you see that this is all mouth? This is mouth.
Do you want to take this outside? Because I think they can bring cameras outside.
Really? Because I think I flipped you.
You want to do it again?
Dude, you don't get all tough. Please don't. This is not the place. And this is
Oh
not
my god.
Dang,
I
she's
was
skinny.
So right here, you so little.
Flip me now. Come flip me now.
That's exactly why she can get flipped. She's so little. Oh my god.
How about
she
that?
She needs a whooping so bad.
How about that? 2017. What a start. What a start, 2017.
Wow.
What
How
can
about
I
that?
say? How about that? Like, hey.
That's crazy.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But
Like,
that's cray.
subscribe.
Know what I'm saying? But it's been your boy Epic Jamaican and Kai.
Yep.
It's been a good one. Peace, love, and we out.